Hello, and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 13 of our challenge. For this challenge, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a post, as well as like, comment, and reply on posts. Before I do that, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for business, start now by subscribing to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and then click the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. Yesterday, I showed you guys how to make a post. So I'm going to actually go into my post here, and we're going to go over some of the reaction buttons and commenting and editing and deleting. So let's start with how to edit or delete. I'm in here, I'm logged in as my page, and here's the post. And up in the top right-hand corner, I have three little dots. If I click on those dots, you can see I have an option here to edit post or to delete a post. So if I go ahead and hit edit, it will open up my post. And you can see here I can put my cursor in and start typing if I want to add something to it. Maybe I added a second word. If I said I, keep an eye out for updates, I can highlight that and delete that. I can also come in and change my pictures or my videos. I can tag people. That's one thing we didn't go over yet. If you do want to tag somebody, you can type in the name of the page or person you want to tag. And you can tag them in that post too. So then they'll get a notification, and depending on how their settings are, their friends might get a notification that they were tagged in something. So you can always come back in and do that as well. You can see there's a lot of options in here for editing. I wanted to show you how to get in there. And then you can hit View Post, and it will open up a new window with a preview of what your post looks like. So if you're happy with it, I'm just going to close that extra tab there. Just hit Save. So that's how you edit it. And in the same three dots there, if you really decide you don't want that post on your page at all, when you click that three dot button there, you can just hit delete and it will completely remove it from your page. I want to leave mine up, so I'm not going to hit delete, but now you know how to get it. How do we get there and find it, I suppose? Okay. Now that we know how to create our post, edit it, and delete it if necessary, I want to show you how you can interact with it. So you can interact with your own posts if you want, but really this is good for anything on Facebook. So if you like somebody else's post, you can hover over this like button here and interact with it that way to get some different reactions. So we have like, love, care, which is a new one. This one came out recently with the COVID crisis and everything that's been going on politically. And then we have ha ha ha, so that's your laugh emoji. A wow, so that could be like shocked or surprised. A sad crying emoji and an anger emoji. So however you feel about this post or the post that you're on, you just click that button there. I want to change it to love. So you can see you can re-click it and change it to whatever you want. If you didn't mean to click it, you can click it again and it will go away. So that's how you work the reaction buttons. And then if you want to comment, you can just type in the comment box here. I'm just going to put test so you guys can see that. You can see there are options on the right, so I can add an emoji, a photo, a GIF, or a sticker. So an emoji, we've used some of those already. So there's a little happy face emoji I put in there. A camera is going to open up your camera on your computer, or if you're on your phone, it'll open up your phone camera. So you can see that's loading in there. So you can drop an image in as part of your comment. And there's my little preview. Now you can see the only option I have now is to add emojis because I already added media. So I'm going to delete that by hitting this little X here. I'm going to hit GIF so you guys can see what that looks like. So the GIF library is pretty fun. It's a little video library. And, oh, this one's really cute. I might use that. But if you're not sure, you don't like one of these first few that come up, you can start typing in words. Like excited. And get GIFs that match what you typed. So let's pick this one, and then you see I have that little video. That would be part of my comment. I'm going to hit the X one more time on that, and then I want to show you the stickers. So this works the same way. You've got a little library of different feelings, or you can type in here, and then you have different stickers up at the top as well. So if I want this bear dog family, oh, it's Boo, the Pomeranian, rest in peace. If I want Boo, I can just click on his stickers there and click whatever sticker I want. So now that I have my option, you don't have to use any of these other things. You can just type in if you want to, but I just want you guys to know that that's there. So once you're happy with your comment, you just hit enter and it will post. So there's my comment. Now, if you are visiting a page or somebody has commented on your page and you want to reply to them, all you have to do is hit this little reply button, and then you have those same options there. You type in whatever you want, and if you want to add any of those images, emojis, GIFs, or stickers, you can do that as well. There's Boo from Monsters, Inc. And now the author will get a notification that you replied to them. This is something new that Facebook's added. It lets you know who the author is, so anytime an author posts, you can see that too. That's because sometimes posts have really long comment chains, and it gets hard to track who posted what, when, and who was the original poster. So that's a nice little feature they've just added. Now, just like with your posts, you can always go back and edit or delete these by clicking those three little buttons. And then confirming. So that's how you guys can interact with the reaction buttons here, how you can comment, and how you can reply. I showed that all on one post, but you can do that on any post on any part of Facebook. Tomorrow I'm actually going to show you the different share features. So today that's going to conclude our training, but I want you to remember to join me tomorrow to go over the different sharing options on Facebook for posts specifically versus your page, which we talked about earlier. But before that, go ahead and let me know in the comments which reaction button is your favorite. Do you like, love, care, haha, or laugh, wow, sad, or angry? Then remember to subscribe and click that bell for alerts so that you get notified anytime a new video becomes available. I'll see you tomorrow.